The Apple Watch has been a big part of my technology. I really enjoy it. But see this black strap? If you work out and everything gets sweaty, gets kind of slimy and stuff, let's change that out. And we're going to show you a neat little watch band that you can put on here for not a lot of money. Y'all stay with me. Hey everybody, Scott Burnette here. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's doing well today. Let's get to it. Apple Watch. This is my 44mm Series 4 Apple Watch. And it's been a big part of my technology. You know, I get all my messages, emails, notifications from the house, things, cameras going off and everything when I work out. And yes, I do work out. I'm able to detect my heart rate, how far I went, and the whole bit. I'm able to keep up with my health that way. When I get really stressed out, I can watch my heart rate and try to calm myself down. But see this black strap? This is the one that's been on it. And I've had this one. This is a Series 4. They're up to like a Series 7, Series 8, and the Ultra. I've had this, what, 3 or 4 years now? When you work out or work out in the yard or something, it gets all slimy and dirty and everything. So I'm going to change it out. So I've been watching a YouTuber, Jared Hill. I'll put a link to his channel. I really suggest going to it. So from his channel, I found this. And this is a Chinese brand, I believe. SUNFWR. Comes in this packaging right here. It is a $17 something. I will put the price down here. Let's go to the other camera. How about that? Let's do that. All right, let's go over here. Hopefully y'all can still hear me. Very minimal packaging. I mean, it just says watch band. And this is supposed to fit 42, 43, 44, and 45, I think. This is one of the ones he recommended. It's a canvas material. And it's got the little sliders that go in. No instructions. No nothings. We're going to have to wing it here. So what we're going to do, and this is a good time to clean your watch too. Like right here, I got a bunch of gunk in that thing somehow or another. So if I can get that out. So what you do, you push on the little button right there. Hopefully you can see that where my finger is. But yeah, it's dirty. I'm gonna come over on the other side and do the same thing. This is how you swap your bands out. There we go. See if I can get a picture of that little button right there. Got all kinds of stuff going on. So I recommend cleaning your watch every once in a while so it doesn't get all gummy and everything. This is some eye clear. It's good for your phones and tablets and computer screens and stuff. Spray a little bit on there. Take and clean the little track out, clean the little button. And one thing about it, this has been a tough watch. I have worked outside with chainsaws and garden equipment and welding. I ruined a G-Shock one day. Well, then I slammed it on stuff, gotten it wet. Pretty tough little watch. And there's a couple of little scratches on here, but I mean I'm clumsy and I have smacked that thing. So we're good and clean now. I generally will take a Q-tip with a little alcohol and go in there and make sure I get it out, but that looks clean. So let's take our watch band. It's got some good Velcro on it. And you can get these in all different colors. I don't really like that little label on there, but you can get all kind of little colors. You can get all kind of leather straps and everything. Let's see if we can just put it on like this. I don't know if I've ever changed the watch band out on this thing. This is my second watch. There we go. Like that. Like that. Oop, don't want to do SOS. See if I got them in here good. Oh, crap. See how it goes on here. It may be too small for my wrist. I don't know. There we go. That fits pretty good. So that, what do y'all think about that? I don't like that little label right there. I wish it was just all black. And the good thing being from Amazon, if I don't like it, I can put it back in the box and send it back. But yeah, the Apple Watch, I really enjoy it. I probably won't be able to get updates on this one next year. I think it's the last year to get updates on it. And I'll get another one because I really like it. It's not a Rolex or a Omega by any part of the imagination, but the watch band fits pretty good. It doesn't bind up or anything. Doesn't cut you. But I do recommend going to Jared's YouTube channel. I'll put a link to it down in the bottom. I'll put a link to this video where he did like 5 or 6 straps. This is one of them he recommended. I don't know. I like it. You can get this in about 5 different colors too. I just thought black would go better because I wear a lot of blue, grays, and blacks, you know. Yeah. I like it. But yeah. That is the SUNFWR. Make sure I said that right. SUNFWR, and there'll be a link to it in the description. So yeah, that one shouldn't get slimy. It should dry up when I get sweaty or when I'm out washing the truck or something. But yeah, Apple Watch, I enjoy it. Just like I do my iPads and MacBooks and iPhones and everything. So, and it's inexpensive too. This is the watch, not so much. So anyway, hope y'all enjoy this. If you got any questions about this watch band, let me know. If you like this kind of content, give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell to be notified. Next video, I hope, is using some new callouts, which you will see them on this video, where it shows to subscribe and my social media accounts and all kind of other things from Motion VFX. So that's going to be one of the next things I do. So anyway, I hope y'all are having a great day and a great weekend. And until the next video, thanks for watching.